There is one practice mistake that will hold you back from progressing at the piano more than anything else. And it's a mistake that I see almost every piano learner make as a piano teacher. So I really want you to avoid this mistake. It is starting to practice from beginning of the piece every time you sit down to play. What ends up happening to the piece as a result is that you have a very confident beginning, and then as the piece goes on, it gets worse and worse and worse and worse. And because you have this method where you always start from beginning and you work towards the end never really gets the same level of security as the beginning does. And practicing this way can also make it seem like that the end is never in sight. So it can be quite discouraging and it can make you feel like you will never master the piece. So there's a psychological factor as well. When I'm working with pianists, especially beginners and intermediate players who come to regular lessons, I often notice this pattern that the piece just never improves after a certain point. And I know that it is down to the practice methods. So basically, the beginning might feel quite easy, the first challenge shows up, and the pianist never truly works through that challenge. So they just end up practicing from that beginning section until that challenging section, and that's it. And the rest of the piece just simply isn't internalized. So I recommend doing the exact opposite. Every time that you practice, choose a section of the piece that you know still needs work. And these sections are usually towards the end of the piece or towards the middle of the piece. Choose a chunk that you are deciding to master and then work on that section. And then obviously you can play the beginning sections as well. You don't want to avoid the beginning altogether, but choose sections around the piece until you feel like you have mastered the whole piece. This is simple advice. This is something every pianist hears over and over again, but for some reason, they still do it. They still make this mistake. They still start from beginning and don't work on the piece holistically. So if you recognize yourself from this, use this video as a catalyst for you to start practicing better. I promise you that you will see progress way beyond what you have seen before. And this should inspire you to do even better quality practice each time. If you want to know exactly how I recommend working on a piece, because there's obviously a lot that goes into learning a piece, go to the description below this video and download my piano practice guide, where I've indicated the exact steps that you need to take in order for you to truly internalize a piece and truly master a piece. So make sure you definitely download this guide, have it next to you when you practice, so that you can basically practice by ticking off items. You will never have to worry about not practicing well in that case. I will be creating a lot more videos on practice and securing your pieces in general and how to learn faster. So keep an eye on this channel and I will see you in the next video.